In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel your Mailerlite membership. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard. Make sure you are fully signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Once you are on the main dashboard screen, move your attention to the top right corner. There, click your profile name. This opens a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that drop-down, select Account Settings. This is where Mailerlite keeps the controls for your profile and subscription details. Inside Account Settings, look along the top area for the Billing tab and click it. The Billing section is where you can review your current plan and manage payment-related settings. To begin the cancellation process, find and click the Change Plan button. Even though it says Change, this is also where the option to cancel is located. After you click Change Plan, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Take your time here, since the cancellation link is typically placed near the bottom and can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. When you see the link that says Cancel Subscription, click it. Next, you will be asked to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This step helps Mailerlite gather feedback, and it is required to move forward. After selecting a reason, click the Next button to continue. You will then see a final confirmation step. Carefully read the on-screen details so you understand what will happen to your plan and billing access after cancellation. When you are ready to proceed, click the Cancel Subscription button to confirm the cancellation. Finally, look at the top of the screen for a confirmation message. That message is your indication that the cancellation has gone through successfully. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to load fully and check again before leaving the screen. That covers everything you need to know.